Where are we going, George? Ay?
Let's go. No. Stop it. Hindi natin dala yung stroller niya.
Oo, dapat dinala pala yung stroller niyan. Look, oh, elephants, George.
Aka na, aka na. Hoy. Stop it.
O yan, hawak niya kasi nina. Oy!
Aka na. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sige, I'm gonna put you in the animal. Don't do that. Let's go. Do that. Do that. Mami, throw it. No, na. Okay.
Humiga ang puta.
Nag-ano ng ulo eh. Look, oh. You have to put the fruit. This one, what is this? This is, George's Django. Okay. Big crayons.
Oh, yung turtle, oh.
Wow, look at the crayons.
Huwag ka
Come
magpawa.
on, come on. Oh, look, oh. Kids stuff.
Hindi kasi hindi ako wala ako sa progress niya kaya akala niya pati ako kahit
Kasama ka sa ano niya, kingdom niya. Bye, George! Bye! Oh, 'di ba? Tatayo ka rin. See? Oh, ano?
Oh, don't do that. Sige, I gotta put you in the turtle. You want? Don't do that. Don't do that, ha? See, so many turtles over there.
You count the turtles, George. You count them. Oh, you count them. How many turtles, George?
There are a lot, George.
How many? You count.
Marami pang animal.
Dahil pala kasama yung stroller niya.
Oh, look at the big turtle over there. Big. Big. Ang galing, no? Mayroon pa lang turtle doon sa Florida, no? Hindi kayo nakita.
Para
Very
sa...
good. Mama kiss you already.
What's in here? Nothing.
Masarap yan, te. Sabaw. Sabawan, te. Pwede yan.
You can see the zoo. Right? Naka, tingnan mo yung lizard, oh. Yung iguana. Yung iguana dun sa ano, Diyos ko. Ano ka tayo iguana, oh? See?
I will gonna give you
Oh,
to
see
the
na, I give you
iguana.
a kiss already. Look at the iguana, oh.
Mga galaw eh.
Tapos biglang tumalon sa'yo, pa! Tayo dyan. Look at, oh, this is the, look at them.
Crocodile!
Crocodiles. Look at them. They are real. They are real crocodile.
Boy pa yung mga yan.
Oh, boy yan. Look at the
Grabe
crocodiles.
po mga galaw.
They're moving. Tapos biglang,
Ay, totoo tong mga to. Grabe oh. Parang may halo eh. Ito, totoo to.
see the green lizard? Moving around, George. See?
Ay, ito nakita ko sa video call natin.
Nice.
You hold it.
Yung pinag
Bawat enclosure na ganyan, isang piraso lang yung
Tawag
laman.
nito? Iguana. See, iguana. And then that's the turtle over there. See?
Turtle soup.
Now we're gonna see the word. You'll see the word.
Ay, look, oh, fish, George. Fish, there's a fish. Look.
Gutom na gutom ka na.
Mali pala yung sabi ko.
Bakit?
Oh, ganda.
Ay, wow. Look, Georgie. Yan, gusto niya yan. Those are lamb, sheep. Pag may horn, lamb. Ram. Meh. Ay, iba yon. Ah. Meh. You feed the koi fish. Oh, feeding the ram.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are at
Hey guys, welcome to our restaurant. Pakita ko sa inyo yung farm namin.
Oh.
Yung farm namin. Yung mga sinusuksay namin sa restaurant.
Look, George, bear. Where's the bear, George? Hanggang dyan lang sila. They're done. Hoy! Black bear. Si Rotia, bilis naman. Kapatid! Ay, chimpanzee? Ha, baboon!
Huwag ka masyado lang tatampo. Nandito lang kami.
Andito lang kami. Baboon.
Uy, papansin ka naman.
Ito merong yung halaman yung kanila, tinubuan. Patas monkey, where are they? Ah, yun.
Kita kasi yung niya against.
Nagre-reflect.
Malapit sila eh. Ay, ito, malapit oh.
Lion na tiger. Paano kaya finifeed yung mga ganyan?
Kami ito ng lion.
Chicken. Wow, ang laki.
Lion yung itsura niya.
Galing, oh.
It's a liger.
Galing, oh. Laki, oh.
What's that?
Ang liit naman. Long-tailed macaque. Yun lang siya. Oh.
Ito yung ano natin, ibay natin.
Eh, may kinakain siya.
Long tail.
Kasyang tao.
Hold the snake. You hold the snake, Giorgio. Take a picture sa snake. Ayan, may sunflower. Kuha ka na ng ano, Rochi. Binhe. Kuha ka na. Oh, no.
Hindi niya kasi kilala to na ano kayo, kukontrol.
Sayang naman yung ano, 4-5. Yoy. Mga ano mo ba favorite?